Hi everyone, my name is Anastasia. I'm the founder of Inkwell Games, and I'm here to give you a brief tutorial on our new game, Fields. Similar to Stars, Fields is a grid-based placement game. The goal of this game is to fill every cell in this grid with green or blue to create areas called fields. Then every field will contain one number. You can see some numbers on the screen already. The number tells you the size of that field. And fields of the same color can't touch top, bottom, or left, right. So I'm going to walk through how I might solve a beginner fields puzzle. So one thing I know is I see that this board has a 1. That means that this field is complete. It contains one cell. Great. So one field done, and I haven't even done anything. But what I also know is this field can't touch top, right, or bottom any other green field. Therefore, I know that these must be blue. So we're making progress. The next thing I know is that this field has a 3 in it, needs to contain 3 cells. Right now it contains 1 cell, but it really can only go one other direction, so to grow. So I click here to make it 2 cells, and by connecting here, this field is now complete because it has 3 cells. So again, I know that this field of 3 can't touch any other blue fields to the left, right, top, or bottom. So I know that this cell is green, this cell is green, and this cell is green. Cool. Up next, I'm going to look over here and see that there's this blue cell. It doesn't contain a number, so I don't know how many cells that field is going to be, but I do know that it needs to grow because it can't go up or to the right. Those cells already filled, so I'm going to go down, the only way to sort of rescue it from the hole it's stuck in, and make this cell blue. By doing that, I rescued that cell. It now connects to a number. That number is 3, and we already have 3 blue cells. So therefore, I know that that field is complete, and this will be green, and this will be green. Great. Let's see. What else do I know on this board? I see that I have 3 green cells here and 3 green cells here. If I turned this cell green, that would connect them, but that would make a green field of 7, which is far more than 5. So I know that these two sort of mini regions can't connect and become one field. Therefore, this cell has to be blue to keep them separated. The other thing I see is that I have 2 different fields of blue here, but they're 2 different numbers. So these cannot be one field. I need 2 fields of blue that are size 3. So therefore I know that I can turn these cells green because I cannot connect those 2 fields. Otherwise, there would be 2 numbers in the field. Similar to what I did before, I noticed that this 3 has nowhere to go but to the left. By doing that, I finish this field and I can make this cell green because it borders a completed field. There's a lot of different ways I can go here. I can rescue this green, bring it up. Now this field of 5 is complete. Therefore, these are going to have to be blue. Look, that finishes that blue. And then finally, I can rescue this green, aka grow this 7 from 5 to 7 to complete the game. So, intro to fields, I hope you have fun, and of course, let us know if you have any questions.